If you are struggling to finish your portfolio, you need to listen to this. One portfolio is not enough. Let me explain. The opportunities are not coming when you are ready. Recently I shared Koenigsegg, Nissan, Ford and some other brands are looking for designers. I share it on my Instagram stories for you if you missed them. But the problem is many young designers are not ready, their portfolios are not ready yet. Also, I have friends who cannot finish their portfolio because the portfolio is not perfect yet, if it can ever happen. There are always questions like, should I remove some projects or some works, should I add a new one, or should I revisit my old projects and update them in a better way? I totally understand that the quality of your projects is very important, maybe the most important thing in your portfolio. You should only share the best work you do, right? However, the problem starts also right there. Because you always improve yourself, you always learn new skills, your approach to design change, you have maybe a new vision, maybe the world is going in another direction and you think your designs can also evolve in that direction. So basically you always improve yourself and develop new skills. And I think that should be a goal for any designer in a way. The problem starts when you let this improvement, this constant development holds you back to finish your portfolio. But don't worry, because the solution is easy. You just need to accept one thing, the one very important fact. The portfolio can never be perfect or never be finished. This perfect portfolio, the finished final portfolio, your lifetime work is just a myth. You should always have two portfolios. The first portfolio is the current portfolio. It means that you can just put everything you have so far, even today, like right now you can make a portfolio out of your current works, your previous works. And of course you need to pick the best ones out of them. If you think your works are not good enough to make a portfolio, just keep calm and try to pick the best works of yours compared to the rest of them. At least try to find the acceptable ones, to put in your portfolio. And if you think you don't have any work which is not even acceptable for any portfolio, then don't be that pessimist, don't be that harsh on yourself. I'm pretty sure there are some projects that you like somehow and try to make the portfolio out of it. And if you are not convinced with your skills or you want to improve your skills further, you can always learn from my online courses in my website. So somehow you need to put this first portfolio together. Even if you are not 100% convinced or if you are not super proud, doesn't matter, you just need to pick the good work out of your existing ones and put this first portfolio together. I know that you would have done it differently, I know you would update it. And that's why exactly you need the second portfolio. Let me explain. Second portfolio is the one that you will finish in 3 months or maybe 5 months or maybe in a month. It's totally up to you. But it's the portfolio that you always say work in progress. It's not finished yet, but you are constantly working on it. Because there's a new idea in your mind, there's a new vision, and you constantly update with those new skills that you have. And when you have new materials, it can be a new project or it can be just a single sketch or like a short sketch project, doesn't matter. When you have this new material, you can always put it to your current portfolio to update it to the new version, and you can still work on your ongoing portfolio. So basically both Portfolio 1 and Portfolio 2 are always constant updates and constant ongoing process. Because I told you this perfect portfolio, finished portfolio is just a myth. You will constantly update them. But now you might be wondering, why two portfolios then? If you are always updating anyway, why not to just have one and update? The reason is you always need to have one like finished, saved PDF type of portfolio. Like it should be always ready to send. And at the same time, you can still work on the new one. You can always update it. It can be draft version, it can be work in progress and whatever. But you always need one finished, like ready to send. Because trust me, having this portfolio, even if it's not 100% convincing for you, having it is better than not having it and regretting losing, missing opportunities. Like you see that a company is hiring, there's a possibility you can send your portfolio, but you don't even have one. And you will say, maybe I need to first update this project and do that. And you are not convinced because design is not always predictable and you need to spend more time and it's unknown. Maybe it will be ready in a week, maybe it will be ready in a month. And maybe when you are ready, the opportunity is already gone. You don't want this pain, trust me. And I don't know, maybe you already had this pain, maybe you already missed some opportunities this way. So to avoid it in the future, just make your portfolio today. Like Okay, maybe today, I don't know what time is it there, but do it tomorrow, do it this week, finish it with your existing projects. Maybe just polish it a little bit and just save it. This way, at least you can send your portfolio to try it, at least you can have this possibility and you can constantly work on your new portfolio. Because as I said, opportunities are not waiting for you to be ready. You need to be always ready for them. By the way, what do you think about my new studio? I just wanted to park the GT over there. It's one of my favorite cars because I designed it all in Blender. It's not a real car, unfortunately, yet. Who knows? And I'm still working on the general atmosphere, so let me know what you think on the comments. I can always update it. I will just play around a bit to see what would be my dream studio or something. It's the new year, new vibes, new atmosphere. Happy New Year, by the way. I hope you are having a great one so far. If it's your first time seeing me, don't forget to subscribe to see more car design content. And if you liked the video, show it on the like button, please. See you in the next video.